Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy FX Fields and we are back with episode 6. Today is September the 8th, Monday morning, Money Making Mondays. Let's get some money today, guys. As you can see, let me show you real quick. Boom. So, I did lose $85 last night. So, I was looking for a quick little trade. Actually, this one right here on gold. Should never gotten this trade. It was a bad trade to take, especially it was after hours as well. I was at the Ravens the Ravens watch party, and everybody was making money on betting on on parlays and stuff like that. I don't really watch football. I was just there just because everybody else was going there. My whole family was going there, so I was like, I was just chilling, like, let me see if I can find an opportunity in the markets. And it was looking good on these charts. But it's always different. It was looking kind of nice on these charts. Boom, price was coming down. We got a low break of structure right here, right? I got in on this break of the candle. Price was coming down, then just decided to reverse all the way up, take out this liquidity right here, and then push back down to my TP. But I should have waited till the morning because again it was after hours, so it was a bad trade. Other than that, man, let's see what we can get today. Money Making Mondays. Again, I already told y'all I had a good feeling about September, so let's get straight into it.
It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. But where is where it won't land? So I'm someone to hold true. Keep it cool when it's still alive. Won't let you down when it's all ruined. Just the same way you showed me. You showed me love. Glory from above. Regardless, it's all downhill from here. In the wake of a hurricane, dark skin of a summer shade, nose dive in the floodlines, tall towers of craze. It's the same way you showed me. Cannonball off the porch side, older kids trying off the roof. Just the same way you showed me, you were sure. If you could die and come back to life, up for air from the swimming pool, pull down to the dry land, kiss the earth that birthed you, gave you tools just to stay alive and make it out when the sun is ruined. That's the same way you showed me. You showed me love. Glory from above. Regardless, It's all downhill from here.
So as y'all see, what just unfolded, I'm in utter disbelief. My keyboard wasn't open. I couldn't get Nas charts on the actual screen. So stop loss and take right. Everything was going fast. I was trying to hop in. Market opening. I was panicking. And prematurely got out the first one. So we got a 10-second stop. 10-second stop loss take that. I was trying to look on the other screen because I was still in the screen. So my keyboard got open. Got in for a read. Stop loss was under his hand. Came back down, got me a 5 tip. Then pushed up and take profit. You gotta see how much I'm down. Wow. I'll see if I can hit another trade today, but other than that, wow. This gold trade will be the last trade I take for the day.
Order filled.
Hopefully gold can give me half of my money back. One on here. One for 1 or 2.
That's the way every day goes. Every time we no control. If the sky is big and wide, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes. Halfway on the slow mo. It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land. So I'm someone to hold true. Keep it cool when it's still alive. Won't let you down when it's all ruined. Just the same way you showed me. Showed me. You showed me love. Glory from above. Regardless. It's all downhill from here.
Alright, y'all. So we back. Oh my gosh. I'm hurt. My bad. So I had to leave the house real quick. So it was still recording and I logged in as I was out. So it closed off. But alright. Let me explain what happened today. Let me explain what happened today. I made a couple mistakes today, not gonna lie. Alright, so first of all, let's start on this chart, right? First of all, I'm on gold charts, right? I was looking at gold charts, but I was looking at Nas on my other screen. Right? Let me pull this up real quick. Nas on that Pepperstone, boom. I was looking at Nas on my other screen, right? Now I'm about to replace this as well. Where was it? Right here, right? Had it been like right here. 925. Oh yeah, it was this kind of right. Boom. So I'm looking at this on my other screen. We got breaker structure, right? Nice breaker structure with this candle right here. I'm looking at it and I'm seeing this. The small little demand zone. I'm like, okay, if we break this candle right here, that's my entry. Boom, right here, right? Probably would put this somewhere down here. But we got to tap, right? Market was opening. Market opening right here. We got to tap. And we was on this candle. So I was seeing candle push up. I'm like, okay, this will be my entry. And I'll hold it for a 1-on-1, take partials. But TP for a 1 and 2. Full TP for a 1 and 2. Full TP to the 1 and 2. So 930 was coming out. It was like 929 and this was happening. I'm like, oh, I need to get in. For some reason, for some mysterious reason, my keyboard wasn't working. So I was clicking and I was typing, but it wasn't working. I'm like, oh my gosh, price is about to move without me. And so I panicked. As soon as price got up here, like on these charts, as soon as price got up here, I entered blindly. Like I just went to the NASDAQ on the right side of the chart and I just bought, right? It was like a blind trade because I couldn't really see anything. I couldn't put a stop loss or a TP. I would have seen, again, I would have got on this candle. My stop loss would have been under here. And take profit would have still been on 1 and 2. Right? But, again, I literally just got in blindly. I was seeing it. I bought right here. And I was going to basically try to watch it from this chart. But I was seeing it, it was going down like I was already down like 500 because I got in standards instead of micros. So I was down like 500. I'm like, oh no, this could be a bad trade. So I blindly hopped out without it hitting my mental stop loss, I guess you can call it, because again, it wasn't on the charts, so I couldn't really put a stop loss or take profit on the charts. So I'm like, oh, this could be a bad trade. Let me get out. Boom, lost 500 straight off rip. Couple minutes. And I seen it coming up and I got in again. Another, I think, so I put my, what was it? I forgot where I put my stop loss at, but it was somewhere. And it took me out. Actually, I think it was under this candle. It took me out. Boom. Got me out and continued to push up. So that was just bad judgment right there. Again, overall, it was still a good trade though. Like, I would still trade this. Like, even if this would have got me out, let's say the first time, right? Where if I could have actually put it on the charts, my stop loss and take profit, let's say it would have got me out, right? Boom. It would have took me out right here. It would have came back up on this same candle. I would have got in for a re-entry and stop loss would have been under there. And again, still for a 1 or 2. So I still would have won this trade. Like, overall, it was a good trade. Not gonna lie. Like, it was a good trade. I just panicked, sold, and you know, I pretty much I wasn't ready for it. Like, I was ready for it, but my keyboard was acting funny, and so I hurried up and pretty much panicked to buy, and yeah, it was just a lot of emotions going on at one time, pretty much. I just needed to be ready, pretty much. Like, I'm looking at it on the charts. You feel me? Like, I'm seeing it. I'm like, oh, that's not it. I'm like, Damn, where my other charts at? Oh, I'm seeing it come up. I'm like, oh, this could be a nice trade I could take. Because again, we already broke structure with this candle right here. This red candle right here. We broke structure over here. Right? Broke this swing high. I'm like, oh, this could be a nice trade. So where I also messed up is I could have had that trade ready. If I seen it, it could have been already ready. And if I would have noticed that my keyboard wasn't working at the time, then I could have fixed it accordingly right before the trade even happened. And I would have still caught this trade. And again, if my stop loss was here the first time, it would have got me out, and I would have got in for a re-entry. You feel me? For a 1 or 2. So I would have still been up for today. Aside from that, let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. So with gold, so pretty much gold is a nice trade. As you see, it did go to my 1 or 2. Gold definitely did go to my 1 or 2. But I also messed up there. So again, we got this nice break of structure. Price come down, break the candle. I was in a little late because I was still on that Nas trades. I was coming to the charts and I was seeing it, and I just got in again. I was already looking at it, but again, I just need to be more ready for these trades before they start taking off, because I'll be late a little bit. As you see, I'll be a little bit late, right? Could have gotten in this candle actually, right above that candle, but yeah, I'll just be a little late. Other than that, again, we got rejection off the demand zone, break a candle, and we're pushing up to a 1-on-1. I decided to take partials at a 1-on-1, where I said I was going to take partials at a 1 or 2 and still hold for a 1 and 3, right? That was my original plan. I was supposed to take partials at a 1 or 2, whereas though it could literally erase that whole loss, and then I was still going to hold for a 1 and 3, and I was going to move my stop loss to break even. But instead, again, I went for partials at a 1-on-1, which it only took away only made like 255, right? So it only took a partial of the loss away, and I put my stop loss to break even, and it came back down, took me out, and continued pushing up. So that's another thing. Certain break even points, I should have it under like a swing low, right? So if I had it under this swing low, it would have still been safe. But I think I had it like up there somewhere, wherever it got me out at. But yeah, man. Today was a mistake day. I'm not gonna lie. Today was a mistake day. Definitely a huge mistake for today. But I'm not too mad at it. You know, again, the trades I took was good. They was good. They still won, right? They was good. I just still lost based off of that very first Nas trade. Really, that's what kicked it off. That very first Nas trade. It was a panic sell, a panic buy and panic sell. I was thinking price was going to leave me, so I got in prematurely, and I was seeing price go rapid, so I just got out prematurely as well. And also trading the standards instead of micros. That's what really messed me up for today. But yeah, other than that, man, can't really complain. Again, I like the trades that I did pull out. They good trades. All I can say. So further ado, we'll be back tomorrow, episode 7. And yeah, we just gotta be ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna actually have everything set up for tomorrow. I'm gonna have my entries and exits. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have everything set up tomorrow. From now on, everything is gonna be set up. That's all I gotta say. Other than that, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully we get a profit tomorrow. Again, we did lose 629. We are 629 down for Monday. We can turn this week around profitable. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, man. It's your boy FX Fields. I'm out.